Hello everybody. Do you have your pen ready? Do you have your paper ready? Let's draw a picture. Today we are going to draw a helicopter. Have you ever drawn a helicopter before? This is my first time, so I hope I get this right. Okay, the first thing you're going to do with your pen is you're going to draw a kind of an oval shape. Now one side of the oval is going to be a little bit more rounded than the other side, so watch me first, okay, and see what I do. So this side is going to be a little more straight, and this side is going to be more rounded like an oval. Just see how I did that? This is like an oval, this end, and then this end is a little more flat here. I guess it's not technically an oval. But you guys do a shape like this. Did you do that? Okay, after you've done that shape, you're going to do one little line off the top. See how it's touching this line? Okay, so the point is right here. And then at the bottom, you're going to do another two lines, just like this one here and one here. So one there and one there. And then you're going to draw a line across the bottom. Like that. Okay, now we're going to do a triangle coming off of this point right here. So we're going to do a straight line from there, and then we're going to do a line from here to this point to turn it into a triangle. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is another little line just like this line, but over here off the end. And then we're going to do a little circle on top of this little line right here. Okay, that wasn't a very good circle. You get what I mean. Now we're going to draw a straight line from here all the way down, but not the whole way down, because we're gonna do like a big window shape, kind of like a box shape. So I'm gonna take it from here, draw a line down, and then stop. Don't do it all the way down. Then you're going to take it from this point over to this point, or this point to this point, like this. And then stop when you get to this line. Okay, did you do that? What are we missing? We need another little window, so let's draw a little square right here. You know how to do a square? 4 lines, the same size, same length. There we go. And now we need something on the top of our helicopter to make it fly. We need some propellers. So we're going to do a crisscross. A line like that. And then a line like that. There. Now you have a helicopter. I'm going to draw some clouds in the sky to make it look like it's actually flying. So we know that it's in the sky. Okay, I want to see your pictures, okay? So do your helicopters. Color them in. Do the sky blue, and maybe you want to color your helicopter in some nice colors. And then post it and let me see. Can't wait to see them, guys. Take care.